Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Muhammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make convenience switch wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Light 2A switch 1, convenience switch 2A switch 2, phase connection to 2A switch to common terminal. Phase connection outgoing from 2A switch to L1 terminal to convenience switch. Phase connection outgoing from convenience switch to 2A switch 1 L1 terminal. Phase connection outgoing from 2A switch to L2 terminal to convenience switch and also outgoing from convenience switch to switch 1 L2 terminal. Phase connection outgoing from switch 1 common terminal to connect light. Neutral connection to light. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.